Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down API composition, an essential API concept. So, what is API composition? API composition aggregates data from multiple microservices into a single response. This is one of the core ideas in API that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about API composition. Point 1. Patterns, server-side aggregation, BFF, backend for frontend, GraphQL federation. Point 2, reduces client round trips and complexity. Point 3, can become performance bottleneck if not cached. Point 4, error handling and partial failures need careful design. Point 5, popular in e-commerce, dashboards, mobile apps. And that is API composition explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new API concept every single day. See you tomorrow.